Hey y'all, this is Rhonda from Rhonda's Country Kitchen, and tonight I am going to bring y'all yet another little casserole dish. This casserole I have ate at my mom's and it was delicious, but I think it originally came from my sister Tab's mother-in-law, Miss Sharon. That's where they got this recipe from, and so I thought I'd share it with y'all. I have been off today. I have not done anything with myself. I'm looking like nobody loves me, but it's okay. I'm here to make y'all casserole, not a big beauty queen, because Lord, I'd fail you. So got all kind of stuff on my little work area here, but I'm going to start with the pineapple because that is the star of the show. And I've got 2 cans of just chunked pineapple, and you want to drain these. So I've got my little bowl under that, my little colander, and we're just going to drain these because you do want to save just a little bit of that juice. Alrighty. Okay, I'm going to start with shredding some cheese while my little pineapples just draining, getting happy over there. Got my little handy dandy shredder right here. Let's make sure she's locked down. And I need about a cup of sharp cheese here. So I'm gonna start shredding that, getting that going good. I love this little thing, y'all. I know y'all have heard me say it enough, but I surely do. It's just different using some good shredded cheese versus that stuff with the flaky mess on it. Alrighty, I'll finish shredding that. I keep some shredded up in my refrigerator, but we will just kind of set this to the side, get it up on out the way. Alrighty. Okay, this recipe calls for 2 cans of chunked pineapples and a cup of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup of sugar, and 6 teaspoons of flour. So I'm going to start putting this all together, and of course a couple of tablespoons of this juice that we reserved. Oh, and the topping, the best part, is just some Ritz crackers, some crushed Ritz crackers, and some melted butter. I've got my melted butter there, good to go. And I'm gonna go in with my sugar first. It calls for a cup of sugar. Here we go. Might be something different. You can serve at your little Thanksgiving or just whenever. This is really sweet and savory because you got your cheese in it, you got your pineapple, and it's just really good. Now this was 6 teaspoons of, and I've just got the White Lily all-purpose flour. So I'm gonna sprinkle this in here. And then we're going to add a little bit of this juice. About 6 tablespoons of this juice here. Lord Jesus, I done run out of room. Got my stuff just spread out everywhere. Here we go. And this flour is going to cause it to just thicken up a little bit. Let's see. Just going to put a little bit of it in here. Not a little bit too much. Actually, I just put about 3 teaspoons in here. This was really good. Mom said this is one of Daddy's favorites as well. All right, got this shredded cheese. We're gonna put this cheese in there. I got about a cup. Get that stirred around in there. All right. I hope y'all been liking these little casseroles. I like just the little easy casseroles that Doesn't take much time. Now I've got my oven preheated for at 350, so got that raring to go. Alrighty, we're gonna pour this in. You know what? I'm gonna spray my dish first. I'm gonna spray it. Don't want anything stuck in there. Alright. Spray it down. I think my little dish might be too big. Y'all know I'm gonna get everything out of this. Give me a little doohickey to get this stuff out. A little kitchen doodad. If y'all have been watching, y'all know I'm not fancy. What you see is what you get, honey, what you see. All right, slide this over here. All right, now the fun part. Now I have got 4 tablespoons of melted butter and a sleeve of Ritz. And I'm just gonna mash these down like so, get these all crumbled up. Got my little butter here ready to go. I'm so excited for Thanksgiving, y'all. I really am. Can't wait for all our family to get together. I won't get to see my siblings, but my mom and dad is supposed to come for a day, and my sweet little in-laws, and some of my husband's family, and all of my little sugar babies is coming. So I'm just really excited about that. I think I'm gonna just add this into that melted butter and then put it on there. Make my little crumbly. See how I'm gonna do it. All right. Seems like it should be a lot more difficult than this, but it's really easy to just whip up. All right. Get my little doodad here again. Alrighty, y'all, I'm going to put this in the oven. I'll let you know exactly how long I cook it in there. I'm going to set me a little timer so I won't forget. But this is what it's looking like right now, and looking like some goodness. So, can't wait for this one. I'm going to throw it in the oven and be back. Alright, y'all, it is out of the oven. It did cook right at 30 minutes, so I was good and kept a little timer. But I've got Russ a little dish here ready to taste and tell y'all what he thinks of it. So come on in, Russell.
All right.
Come on in. Now this he don't mind eating because he knows he likes it.
That's right.
So
I had this at my mother-in-law's.
yes, he did.
And it was very good.
Yep.
I'm glad that Rhonda got the recipe and decided to make it.
Yep, yep.
So, what's in it? I don't know why I didn't ask her what
We have, well, it's some pineapple, a little bit of flour and some sugar and some cheese. So you have that sweet and that savory.
Different.
It is different. And then some buttery Ritz crackers on top.
Man,
with a little crunchy topping. It really.
Show them a good picture of the hole in it.
I did not because it is hot.
Oh, well, we don't need to burn.
I ain't trying to burn my fingers off.
That means I'm gonna probably burn my mouth.
No, I have let it sit for just a second. I was kind.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Kind of my vocal cords.
Yes, yes. So there you are.
So it's my time to shine.
Yep, you can show what it looks like with your little bowl.
Look at there, y'all. That's legit.
Yes, it is.
I know it is. I done tried this before.
Yep. Good. It's some good stuff, y'all.
Man.
It's really good.
That's delicious. It's amazing that cheese and pineapple kind
It
of
does.
pair together like that.
That sweet and savory together,
really
but
is. It goes very well together.
It goes hand in hand like peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Mm-hmm. It is.
Still a little hot.
Yeah, well, I did give it a little minute. I did give it a little minute, but this is good with at a barbecue. I'd say on Easter,
Yeah,
beside a ham. Summertime, it's just really good. Yep.
Gathering or
Yep. You can
church
even
social, something like that. That'd be great to take to it. Yep.
You could even put a dollop of Cool Whip on it and call it
That would even
dessert.
make it really good.
Call it dessert.
Yeah.
It's
more dessert-like. It's
It
sweet.
does. It's got the consistency of like a cobbler.
Yeah, it
Don't
does.
you think?
It sure does.
It's got that flour and sugar
Normally
together.
The cobbler has a little bit more of a crust.
It does.
The Ritz is good though. It's crunchy.
It
It's
is
very good.
buttery, crispy.
All that pairs very well
Crisp, but
together.
that crunchy.
I would not have thought pineapple and cheese would have
No,
paired, but it does.
It does.
It's right on point.
it is really good.
Y'all make this one. It's a good one.
Yes, y'all do.
It's a good one.
And I just want to thank y'all so much. Y'all, we have hit 2,000 subscribers.
She's doing so good, y'all.
2017.
Something like that.
Something like that.
It goes up and down, does it?
Up
But
and down, yeah.
Yep.
So thank y'all so much. I do
she's
appreciate
grown.
it.
The channel is growing.
I am certainly shocked.
Yeah, she didn't believe it, y'all.
Well,
you know, I already knew. You know, people need to know this stuff. And there's a lot of good people out there on YouTube that cook and share their stuff, but she's very good herself. And, you know, she says I'm her biggest fan and I'm biased.
He is.
But
He's very biased.
But, you know, that still don't make it any less true. So, if y'all ate this, y'all be like, yeah, he's right.
Well, I hope you do try it. If you do try it, drop it in the comments. Let me know.
Let her know. She
Let me
loves to hear
know.
people use, you know, that try her recipes.
I do.
She loves to read that. And,
When I love cooking channels, and I normally let somebody know if I try something.
She does,
So,
yep.
But anyway, thank y'all so much, and until next time.
Peace!